Guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to Anamunga YouTube channel. In case you're new here, make sure you hit that subscription button, share, comment, and of course like. Guys, today our video is about visiting our daily farm. Yeah, so guys, come with me. So guys, I'm not alone of course. Tuko wengi, but mtaona hao wengine baadaye. Yeah, so guys, follow me as we go to the farm. So guys, on our way to the farm, yeah? Acha tumintroduce. Mary, she's my cousin. Soma jina yako. Ateni wana. Utaki kuongea kwa channel yangu. Unajua hata unaonekana ukisema utaki.
Hi guys, I'm Mary.
And what?
Anatafuta bwana.
Anataka bwana. She's not married. She doesn't have a boyfriend. What else? and she wants a boyfriend. Aya, Bube, sema what you do. Unaona?
Yeah, I have 3 professions. Number 1, I'm a dairy farmer. Number 2, I am a doctor.
You are a doctor?
Yes. Yes, doctoring.
What do you treat?
I treat women.
Women.
I treat those girls who have
fine girls.
Problem. Yes.
Which
I
problem? And you also broke.
I'm a jack of all trades.
And you also broke hearts.
I also broke hearts. If you are there, you have your heart. You don't have a customer. I can connect you with somebody who can broke it.
John Buru, what do you do?
Mimi?
Yeah.
Kutafuta pesa.
In which ways?
Njia zangu za kutafuta dough. Ziko very tricky. Lazima iko involved in this video.
I know.
The best. Waingie farming.
It's the best. Yeah. So guys, say hi to our boss here.
Hello, I am David. I am a dairy consultant. We are located at Githunguri, Kiambu, but we move all over whenever you need our services. Maybe it is on dairy construction. You need to know on how to construct your dairy farm. Maybe it's on you need to learn from your farm. If you cater for the road and everything, we are going to come. You are just going to book an appointment. But if you are there, you are serious, you want to farm seriously, come to the farm. We are at Githunguri. We charge for farm visits. If you come as a team, we are going to give you an offer of 7,000. If you come as a family, maybe you, wife and children, we give you an offer of 5,000. And if you come as you and your friend, we give you a better offer because you are friends that are building each other. We give you an offer of 4,000. So it is up on you to decide. You can start any day, any time. As we are saying, the key to success is no longer in education. Come, we show you where it is.
Thank you.
Wendo unanifanya nikae town, wendo unaniweka mjini, maadui wote wanafrown, wameshindwa kuniweka chini.
Wendo unanifanya nikae town, wendo unaniweka mjini, maadui wote wanafrown, wameshindwa kuniweka chini.
So guys, ndo tunaingia Githunguri town.
Unaona mpaka tumefunguliwa nini?
Yeah. Welcome to Githunguri. If you want to buy any cow, this is our world.
Hakuna wakufanana na wewe, hakuna wakulinganisha na wewe, hakuna wakufanana.
Dairy farmers are very generous.
Guys, and this is the biggest company in Githunguri, Fresha.
Wendo nanifanya nikae town, wendo naniweka mjini, maadui wote wanafrau, wameshindwa kuniweka chini.
Wendo nanifanya nikae town, wendo naniweka.
So guys, we are already here at the farm, but guys, tumefika tukiwa so late na tuko in a rush ya kwenda home. What I will do another video ya a tour. I will show you a tour ya our farm, and nitafanya video nikiwa huku guys. I'm so sorry. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so sorry, last time tulilemewa kuchukua video, but I promise nitachukua video nyingine ya nikiwaonyesha around our farm. So enjoy the video as you enjoy our farm. Yeah. And this is how our farm looks like. Oh my god, I love being in this place. I just love the place. And guys, in our farm we have around 200 cows right now, but our cow shed holds like 300 cows. Yeah, it's a milking time. Guys, and this is how our farm looks like. Yeah, it holds around 200 cows. Yeah, if you need to buy any cow, you want our dairy farming training, we are here to guide you guys. Yeah. So you say
guys,
something.
Remember to subscribe to her YouTube channel and Mungai. Yes.
Wewe unajua YouTube yangu inaitangwa Ana Mungai? Not Ann actually.